The voltage service has been awesome. Did I say awesome? I mean awesome.
Back then, I didn't know how to praise God. I feel shy and everything, but because I've been in Koza and I've seen a whole different level of praising God and all that is amazing.
With every service, it's a different experience. Voltage has been uplifting for me.
I've gotten to a stage of when praises go up, blessings come down. I have streams of incomes coming in. I have testimonies rolling in. Things that have been so difficult, it's been easy through praises.
What more can I say? God, my experience has been awesome. So many testimonies coming in my workplace, a whole lot of changes. God has lifted me, even in the spirit. And this experience, I just don't want it to end. This voltage experience, it must not end.
I find myself speaking in tongues for almost 1 hour and then praying in speaking in tongues as well. It's been so amazing. It's been wonderful so far, and I want to bless God because of the energy I'm contacting here.
Olúwa jọba, jẹ́ kí gbogbo ayé kó yọ̀. Òpin dé bá ṣòro lónìí, ẹkún tán ẹ̀rín dé ó sọlẹ̀ sílé gbogbo wa. Alágbára ti yí tàn wá padà.